always a rainbow within reach. On Animal Island, on Animal Island, yeah, on Animal Island, on Animal Island, come on.
Hello.
Hello, hello, it's time to say hello. Hello, hello, let's stop to say hello. It's a way to say we're glad you're here. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Hedgehog. Hello, Fox. Hello, Pig.
Hello, Monkey.
When friends are near, we smile and say hello. When friends are far, we wave and say hello. It's a friendly word that shows we care. Come on and say hello.
Hello, Mr. Frog. Hello.
Hello, Mr. Goose.
Hello. Hello, friend.
Hello.
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 Hi, nice to see you. Hello. Hi. Let's count to 10 together. Ready? Here we go. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now let's count down from 10 to 1. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now we're done. Blast off!
Hello, friend. It's so good to see you again. Fox has the number wheel set up. Let's see what today's number will be.
Ooh, can I spin the wheel? Go for it, Hedgehog. Today's special number is 6. Yay! Okay, Hedgehog. Show me the card with the number 6 on it. Oh, there it is! Now let's flip the card over and count how many ants there are. Mr. Goose, can you help me?
Of course. Let's count out loud together. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many in all?
6. Hedgehog, you win! Yay, what do I win? 6 hugs! Here I come!
Today's number is 6. Let's explore the island and count together.
We're about to practice our counting together. Come on! Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-da. Ba-da-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-ba. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't stop now, let's count some more. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You're doing great. When we see some flowers or butterflies or stars, we count so we can find out how many things there are. Ba-ba-da-ba-bum. Let's look for things to count.
Oh, I'm not very good at counting by myself. You're not very good yet. I'll help you. Let's count blocks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 blocks. Now let's count pictures together. 1, 2, 3. How many in all? 3. Yeah, you got it. Now you try, Hedgehog. Count the backpacks. Okay. how many backpacks are there in all? 4! You did it! Thanks, Monkey! Hey, I have an idea! Let's count all the books! Yeah!
That may take a while. See you soon.
Let's count together.
6!
There are 6 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now count them with me.
1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6. How many apples in all?
6!
Yeah! Come on, Wigglebugs, snack time!
Let's do the monkey dance! Yay! Yeah! There's a brand new dance you need to count. To do each move the right amount. There's a special number, the number 6. Come on and count with me. Get ready to do everything 6 times. Clap 6 times. Nod 6 times. Point 6 times. March 6 times. I knew I could count on you. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on, everybody, do the monkey dance. You do the monkey dance, the monkey dance. Come on and dance with me.
It's story time.
Yay!
Gather round, everyone.
What book are we reading?
We're reading this one. Shongolo's shoes are missing. Where could they be? Let's find out. Let's begin. Shongolo's shoes. Written by Jackie Lounge. Illustrated by Megan Lauter. Designed by Martelli Klein. Where are all my shoes? I know I left them here. I haven't seen your shoes. Go ask Snail. No shoes here. Go ask Giraffe. I'm in a hurry. Go ask Frog. Shoes? How many? Go ask Flamingo. Seen your shoes? No, not me. Will I ever find my shoes? Shoes, eh? You should ask the monkeys. We're busy. Go ask Owl. She knows everything. I have an idea. Why don't you ask Lion? These are your shoes? I am so sorry. Of course I will give them back. I hope you will wear them to my party. The end.
Thank you, Mr. Goose.
Thank you for reading with me. Kids, it's time for a sing-along with Mr. Frog.
Yay!
Remember to say hello when you see him.
Hello, kids!
Hello, Mr. Frog.
I'm going to teach you a song called 5 Little Speckled Frogs.
Frogs? Oh, like you, Mr. Frog.
That's right. Today, you can all pretend to be frogs.
Yay!
I'll sing the first part, and then you sing along with me. How many frogs did I say there were?
5!
good listening. Here we go. 5 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 4 green speckled frogs. Now I want you to all sing along with me. I want to hear you sing too. How many frogs are there now?
4!
4 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs.
Yum, yum!
One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 3 green speckled frogs. How many?
3!
3 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are 2 green speckled frogs. How many?
2!
2 little speckled frogs sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! One jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there is 1 green speckled frog. How many?
1!
1 little speckled frog sat on a speckled log, eating the most delicious bugs. Yum, yum! He jumped into the pool where it was nice and cool. Now there are no green speckled frogs. Well done!
Yay!
Thank you for singing with me. And thank you, too.
Thank you, Mr. Frog.
Here's something we already did. Let's do it again.
Shapes. Circles. Triangles. Ovals. Squares. Rectangles. Stars. Hey, I have an idea. Look!
That's me.
Let's look for rectangles. Do you see one? Let's look for another one. Let's look for one more. Do you see it? There it is! We did it! Yay! See you! Monkey! Monkey! Where is he? Oh! What was that? Did you hear that? Look! Where do you think Monkey is? Hi! Yay! Hi, Monkey! Hi, Hedgehog! You found me! No, we found you! Hi!
And now it's time to say goodbye. Let's sing our goodbye song.
Goodbye, goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, goodbye. Let's stop to say goodbye before we say hello again. We need to say goodbye.
Goodbye, friend.
Goodbye.
Bye! Goodbye!
Time to rest. Take a deep breath in. Let it out. Good. Listen. Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. Skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you. I love you in the morning and in the afternoon. I love you in the evening and underneath the moon. Oh, skidamarinka-dink-a-dink, skidamarinka-doo. I love you.